Got a 2014 Honda CRV. We are going to hook up an amplifier using a 4-gauge wire with the remote. We always ran a remote out front just in case the our high-low converter, which is LOC 2 kickers, it's not gonna work with it. So we are running a remote wire just in case that remote wire doesn't function properly. To run all the power right here, you basically is gonna need like a flathead or a pry bar or door remover tool. You put it like that and pop it. It's all just pop. See right here, that's what it look like. Same as this right here. You're gonna pull this rubber piece out right there. And then you're gonna take that and pry it. Just easy on it. Can't do it with one hand, so you're gonna have to push it that way to the right. What you wanna do, you wanna take a flathead or the tool removal and go right here, pushing down there, because that yellow piece right there, you wanna pry right there out. You don't wanna just keep prying like this and you're gonna break it because it going to the sideway. You want to run the wire just like so. Make sure it's not blocking this hole. This hole is for the clips, and going back this way and keep going. And same thing as right here. You got move the seat forward and you pry that out. See right there, this is this. You want to put that back, clip, and just run the wire right here. And we're going to run the speaker wire around here because this is where the speaker is going to go for the high-low converter. Now if you're looking at it, you're going to see a couple sets. You want a thicker set onto the rear, not the front, because this is for the door pin switch, and this is for the belt, seat belt. So we're going to take a knife, a blade, and strip a little bit. We're looking for I think blue and pink. Blue is positive. See right here, there's a bunch of blue. You want the one that's wrapped together like that, or twisted together like that. So blue is positive and pink is negative. So we're gonna take the speaker wire right here. Speaker wire, it doesn't matter, 16 or 18 gauge. You put the red one to the blue, and then the black one to the pink. Do right here, I'm gonna run the amp on the back of the seat right there, and then I'm gonna open this up. I'm trying to look for ground, so I'm gonna make a ground right there using the brush. You can use this brush or any sandpaper will work. Make sure you sand it all the way to the bare metal like that. Screw it down. There usually be two soft type of screw. You don't want to use just one, it might come. I usually used to make the ground a little bit longer. Usually the ground should be no more than 2 feet. I probably have around 2 feet, so I'm gonna strip that and put that in. Now what you want to do, I got a high-low converter, which is the line out converter kicker. It's called LOC 2, KISLOC 2. It's got a built-in remote, that's why I say LOC 2. You got the white, black, gray, black. You want to hook it up to the black wire of this speaker wire right here, because that's hooking up to the where the door's at, the left rear door right there. It's hooking up to the pink wire for the negative, and the blue wire would be the white and gray, the solid right here. And then this one, the black one right here, is gonna go with the ground. I forgot to put it with the ground. I'm gonna do that, I'll show you in a second. And then the remote wire go right here. The reason why I ran this purple wire or the blue wire from the front, just in case, you know, when you a lot of Honda, when you turn the key on, it make this loud noise, and then it take like 4 or 5 seconds until it shut off. So that's the reason why I do this, just in case this thing don't shut off on the right time. So here we go. So I will now putting the speaker wire to the subwoofer. As you can see right here, I don't cut the end, the loop. I don't want to cut it yet. I'll tell you why I didn't cut it yet. So now I got the RCA jack, and I ran it to right here for the input of the amplifier. It's got to go in input, not output. Output is go to another amp, but this is input. Here's after in the installation. Here's what I'm talking about: the speakers wire that hook it up to the subwoofer. The reason why I don't cut this right here in the middle, because this side to the right side is a little bit longer. So what I want to do, I want to cut this right here, short right here, and then the longer wire will go that side. So here I'm going to cut that. What you will need at the radio, you want to come down to SWC right there. You want to click on OK right here, or select, and you want to move it back to off. So that way when you're driving, you're not going to hear any thumping noise. That's it. I cannot play the music because YouTube will violate, it's a violation of music or copyright. So